Otterbox is a leading case maker in the world. They have a wide variety of cases for different devices, and they are known for their rugged protection. Otterbox has recently released a new case for the Google Pixel 6 phone. This case is made of silicone that provides soft cushioning and shock absorption. It also has anti-slip grip on all sides of the device, and it includes an Otterbox certified Drop Plus protection guarantee. You to purchase your case with confidence knowing that, if you drop your phone, it will be protected from damage or cracks. So today's video I will show you 3 Otterbox case for your Google Pixel 6 you can buy Amazon. If you want more information and most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you are new here, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. So let's go. Number 3. Otterbox Symmetry. The smartphone case is unlike any other before it. Get the only clear case that's still tough as nails. Otterbox #1 selling case in the world, now available in a never-before-seen color that will have you swooning over your phone and taking it anywhere. Made of a durable, shatterproof polycarbonate shell and lined with a shock-absorbing silicone inner layer to absorb impact, this slim design is slim enough to still easily fit into your purse or pocket. It's time to get cut-through protection from the most trusted name in smartphone protection, Otterbox. The Otterbox Symmetry Clear Series case for Pixel 6 offers the thin, sleek, stylish, pocket-friendly, one-piece design that you've come to love. With wraparound colors and graphics add seamless style. Keep your Pixel 6 protected from the elements and your style statement with the Otterbox Symmetry Clear Series case for Pixel 6. The case is made from a one-piece slim design and wraps around the back of your device with wraparound colors and graphics that add seamless style. The case is a perfect match for the latest iteration of Pixel 6 smartphones. Number 2. Otterbox Universe. Google's new Pixel 6 is tough, sleek, and ready to take on the toughest conditions. Shatterproof, dual material design. IP68 waterproof rating. 6 layers of rugged protection. Want the best protection for your Google Pixel 6? We've got you covered. Take on the playground with this rugged, durable Otterbox case that provides unbeatable protection with a slim, sleek design perfect for everyday versatility. The Otterbox Universe Series case for the Google Pixel 6 is designed to withstand whatever life throws your way. With a tough, durable design that lets you take your phone places you'd never take it before, this case is the perfect partner for your device. Your Google Pixel 6 is a prized possession, so treat it with the care it deserves and be confident knowing your phone is protected. Otterbox uses a 3-layered technology to guard against drops, bumps, dust and shock. Do you love your Google Pixel 6? Do you hate your screen getting scratched, smudged, or broken? Protect your phone with the Otterbox Universe Series case for Google Pixel 6. This impact-resistant case provides military-grade drop protection against falls of up to 6.6 feet. Number 1. Otterbox Defender. The Otterbox Defender Series case for your Pixel 6 is ready for whatever life throws at you. The rugged case deflects damage from drops, bumps, and shock and withstands the daily grind of life. The Otterbox Defender Series case for the Google Pixel 6 is a 2-layer case featuring a polycarbonate inner shell and a premium silicone outer layer. The case is designed to protect your device from drops, bumps, and scratches. The Defender Series for Pixel 6 is the most protective glass-backed case with dual-layer protection and a raised lip to prevent liquids from seeping into your device. It's made from premium materials and tested to military standards for durability, drop protection, and impact resistance. Multi-layer defense from the solid inner shell and resilient outer slipcover with port covers that block dirt, dust, and lint from getting into jacks and ports. Made of 50% recycled plastic, the screenless design provides flawless touch response, and included holster works as a belt clip and a hands-free kickstand. So get ready to keep up with the latest features. With an updated design and a new way of charging, there's more to learn than ever before.